Former President Trump's daughter, Ivanka, is on the stand today in the $250 million civil fraud trial. Now, she's the fourth and final member of the Trump family to answer questions under oath. She was removed as a co-defendant in that case, but her testimony is providing vital insight into the inner workings of the Trump organization. That's why we have NBC News correspondent Rehema Ellis joining us now from live outside the courthouse there in Lower Manhattan. Rehema, it's good to see you this Wednesday. If you can, just sort of set the scene for us, because we know that Ivanka served as executive vice president for development and acquisitions at the Trump organization. That was about until 2017. So what is she saying to the judge about really the company's business practices?
Very little, actually. She's been asked a number of questions about how loans were secured, about emails that went back and forth between her and different members of loan organizations. And she said repeatedly, politely, I do not recall, or I don't remember, but most often I do not recall. And her way of answering this is very different from the combative and, in some cases, the rambling style of her father when he was here earlier this week, and even from her brother, Eric, when he testified somewhat combatively. He didn't recall, and she doesn't either on the witness stand. But I have to say, again, it's very polite. We also have to mention that this was almost a decade ago or so that we're talking about these emails being passed. But as the Attorney General said when she walked into the courtroom today, she said that Ivanka secured these loans on what she is calling, the Attorney General is calling, fraudulent terms, and said that she will attempt to distance herself from the company. That does seem to be the case here. She's going to be testifying all day on direct examination. Then the Trump's organization attorneys are going to cross-examine her today. If it doesn't finish today, it will go into tomorrow, and that will be it for the prosecution's case. They will wrap up their case after questioning Ivanka. What happens after that? The expectation is that the Trump defense will begin its presentation of its defense in this trial. We're told that could make this trial then go on until sometime in December. Morgan?
Right. NBC News correspondent Rehema Ellis outside the courthouse there in Lower Manhattan. Rehema, thank you.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.